Hello and welcome back to Maths, where today we're learning about 3D shapes and we're going to sort and identify some of their properties. So in a minute when the film ends, I want you to go off around the house and I want you to see if you can find as many different 3D shapes as you possibly can find. If you look in the bathroom or the kitchen, you will find lots of different things. The more, the merrier. Okay, and you might be able to find some more unusual shapes like a hexagonal prism. Okay, once you've got all the shapes and you've set them all down, then have a little look at familiarizing yourself with the properties. So if I have a look at this shape, it is a cylinder. Okay, it has two circular faces. Okay, and this bit, if you run your finger around, is called the edge. So we've got 1, 2, and then it has a curved face. So it has 3 faces. It has no corners at all. Or maybe you found one of these. Okay, now this is a cube and we could count the corners. We call these vertices and you could count them all. The more things that you sort and the more properties you look at, the familiar you'll become, and that's really useful. After you've done that, then I want you to make a Venn diagram. Okay, I want you to get a large piece of paper and draw 2 circles, and then you can put some headings at the top. This one says has fewer than 4 faces, has a curved face. And you will have a go at sorting these items into the right space. Some will go in the middle bit because they can fit in either or, and so we put those in the middle one. And if there are some that don't fit, they can go around the edge, outside of the circles, and we call this the universal set. They're the ones that don't fit inside the 2 circles of the Venn diagram. Now, if you manage that, I have put on some other ideas on the plan of some headings that you could use. So you can have a circular face, even flat face, or maybe a circular face and has 3 or more faces. You'll be able to see once you get going. Now, if that seems a little bit tricky and you're feeling like I'm a bit stuck, that's okay, because what you could do is just take the things that you have found and sort them into their shapes. Sort them into groups of cylinders or cones or cubes or cuboids. Once you've done that, and if you manage that, you could sort them differently. You could sort them into their properties. So maybe if you have counted the vertices, you could find one with the same amount of vertices or corners, as we call them. Okay, so that is today's maths lesson. If you have a little look at the daily overview, it tells you how to do the maths. And good luck, shape detectives, off you go.